Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies, making another during video. Getting rid of this sand, a few more pieces of concrete. I was going to show you, there was a paver patio here. And check this out. This line runs good. Look at this root. Right there, it's got it pinched. Has a little bit of a crack and a leak. So the paver patio that was here was always just kind of getting saturated. Whenever we do projects, I always make sure that I locate everything that's going to be under the concrete to make sure everything's in good working order. We're going to actually take it and run it this way now and run it underneath that sidewalk. And then we saw this here. It's an old downspout that was hooked onto this deck. So that we're going to tear out of there, abandon it. Jade Alpine little concrete project. Just another video of our progress. You can follow this project at www.alpinecompanies.com. It's Jade, and we'll see you guys on the next one.